Hello everyone, back to today we're installing Node.js and the Windows operating system. So currently I have Windows 10. So this tutorial will be working for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you have a Windows 11, that does not mean that it's not going. Okay. So just need to come to Google and say JS install. You have to come to this website. Here you will see the version, the operating system, and whether you want to install it on Docker or not. So you don't have to do this. You simply have to come to this button. You have to click on this, and this will install the MSI installer, which is basically an sort of an exe file. So I've already got it. So when you're going to run this file, so it will ask just to next accept the terms. If you want to change the installation path, you can always change it. Currently, I'm going stock one. You don't have to change here anything. Just click on next, and here it will ask you to check on the necessary libraries from the C++ compiling library Python. Currently, I don't think you have to do it. It works pretty much fine. Click on next. Click on install. And this is going to take a bit of a time, so have patience. If it's going to ask something, just click on yes. And as you can see, it is installed. Let me just quickly check. So here what you need to do, you have to verify it via just check NVM version first. NVM, and okay, let's just go for the NVM. So we have NVM version, right? So yeah, so as you can see that you have successfully installed the npm and node also. So you have the node version and npm version, which is pretty much fine. Now let's just test it out whether we can write some JavaScript code or not. So just type node, enter, and as you can see, you have now entered into the console version. Okay, just let's just check for the hello world command console dot hello world. Okay. And as you can see, it is giving us the hello world. So you have successfully installed the node version, npm version. You go ahead, you can create any website and the JavaScript as well. Thank you so much.